Good Monday afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. Taking a live look outside to the northeast on our Coronado sky cam. Clear skies, blue as the eye can see, but it's a chilly one. Only 16 degrees for your lunchtime hour. Wind is out of the south, so we're not seeing that wind chill factor like we saw this morning with more blustery northwesterly winds. Taking a look in Grand Forks, currently 14 degrees, but it feels like zero. Winds are a little stronger, still out of the south, but at 12 miles per hour. Temperatures warmed in most places out of the single digits and now into the teens, even a few in the low 20s. Right at 20 at this time in Jamestown. We're at 16 in Langdon, 12 in Bemidji and Wadena, 21 Sisseton, 24 degrees in Aberdeen, South Dakota. Looking at satellite and radar, we have high pressure kind of parked right over the valley, but out west, we're seeing cloud cover start to build in. We'll talk more about what that means in a second, but first a quick check of your road conditions. Not sure why that's red. That is supposed to say Fargo. It is not closed. A little bit of a graphic error there. A couple spots still seeing some patchy ice, but really those slick spots are out in the parking lots and sidewalks as we are staying sub-freezing in most locations this afternoon. Teens in northern Minnesota by the 3 o'clock hours is about as warm as we're going to get. Low 20s through the central Red River Valley, a little warmer south and a little warmer out to the west as well. Now looking at that first alert forecast, cloud cover starts to build in from the west and the wind starts to increase. We had a blustery night last night into early this morning. A nice relief from the wind for a few more hours, and then here comes the wind again. This time out of the south, so it's bringing some warmer conditions. And this is all being brought on with a warm front. So temperatures overnight remaining pretty steady, or in some locations actually warming up a couple of degrees. We're only going to be in the teens this afternoon in northern Minnesota, but we'll be waking up tomorrow morning to temperatures in the 20s. So warming starts tomorrow. We'll have cloudier skies tomorrow as well. A few peaks of sunshine, but overall partly to mostly cloudy. And temperatures warming back up into the 30s. So once again, well above average by about 10 to 15 degrees across the region. We stay pretty overcast through tomorrow night as well. Tomorrow afternoon, here's that 4 p.m. snapshot of temperatures. 28 in Roseau and Thief River Falls, 27 Langdon, 33 in Fargo and Fergus Falls, Oaks as well. But mind you, the high temperature for the day actually occurs right around 3 o'clock in the afternoon this time of year. Looking ahead, the all-important holiday weekend. Lots of folks traveling, lots of folks have plans. We are looking ahead to the possibility of some wintry travel impacts. Now, our forecast models, it's still a ways away, so a lot can change. The timing, the track, and the precipitation type. The American model keeps temperatures much warmer, therefore all rain, but I do want to note it does push chances for snow into Tuesday morning. This is Christmas Day, I should mind you. And the European model keeps things just a little bit cooler with chances for snow. Speaking of snow, only 14.3% of the lower 48 has snow cover at this time. This is the lowest snow depth for the entirety of the lower 48 in at least 10 years, Jordan. And we're not really going to add to that either before Christmas Day. And again, that chance isn't super high that we'll see measurable snow. Still a lot of questions. But I say at least 10 years because that's as far back as data goes. I'm trying to dig and find more information to see how long it's been, but impressive.
Well, even if you don't look at the records, I think if you grew up around here, you know, this is kind of unusual.
Absolutely is, yes.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you so much.